Good morning, Hornets. It's a wonderful Thursday here at BCHS. We're your hosts, Howell.
And I'm Charlie. Let's start out with today's lunch. Today you'll be enjoying meat nachos, mandarin oranges, Spanish rice with lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, and peppers, and of course, a cold milk.
Now, let's jump into today's celebration with these holidays.
And now, a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, my name is Michaela Parks. I'm here with your top 5 news stories of the day. Number 1, an American Airlines flights had to make an emergency landing due to full toilets. Number 2, NFL to allow players to wear protective softshell helmets covers during games. Number 3, over 1,000 volunteers spent this past weekend cleaning trash for the 23rd annual Arkansas River Cleanup. Number 4, the Chiefs and Royals will no longer be jointly negotiating for new stadium. Number 5, the city of Wichita is considering restricting outdoor watering due to low water levels at Cheney Lake.
Congratulations to the boys' varsity and junior varsity tennis teams. Our varsity team placed 3rd at league meet on Monday, and our junior varsity team is now the AVCTL Division II League champions.
Next, here is today's word and quote of the day.
This week's word of the week is proscenity. An inclination or natural tendency to behave in a particular way.
None of us, including me, ever do great things, but we can all do small things with great love, and together we can do something wonderful. Mother Teresa.
Sometimes it costs too much to always be doing something.
Let's see what is free things you are doing to pass the time.
My name is Rihanna, and something that I like to do that's free is watch Netflix, clean up this house.
My name is Laura, and the favorite thing I like doing is going to the mall with my friends.
My name is Darius Ramsey. Playing video games at home. Go.
Hi, my name is Rudy. I'm Britton. And something free I do is hoop, I guess.
My name is Taylor Tackner, and something that I enjoy that is free is playing pickleball.
Hi, I'm Mr. Jackson, and something free and simple I do is going on walks with my wife around my neighborhood.
We got scattered storms all day today. Let's take a look at today's weather.
It's going to be a high of 72 and a chance of thunderstorm and a low of 50.
Now, a quick blast to the past. Let's wrap up this day in history. Stay classy, BC.
May 2nd, 1945. The end is near for World War II in Europe. The Soviet Union announces the fall of Nazi Germany's capital, Berlin. And the Allies announce the surrender of Nazi troops in Italy and parts of Austria. 1519. Leonardo da Vinci, the Italian Renaissance artist who painted The Last Supper and the Mona Lisa, dies in France at age 67. 1863. During the Civil War, Confederate General Thomas Stonewall Jackson is accidentally wounded by his own men at Chancellorsville, Virginia. Jackson dies 8 days later. 1994.
Now is the time for celebration, for South Africans to join together to celebrate the birth of democracy.
Nelson Mandela and the African National Congress claim victory in South Africa's first multiracial election. Mandela, who spent nearly 30 years in prison under apartheid rule, becomes the country's president. 1972. J. Edgar Hoover, who ran the FBI from the Prohibition era through the turbulent 1960s, dies in Washington, D.C. at age 77. And 1903.
Would you like to swing on a star? Carry moonbeams home in a jar?
Singer and actor Bing Crosby, one of the 20th century's most popular entertainers, is born in Tacoma, Washington. Today in history, May 2nd. Sandy Kozel, The Associated Press.